Understanding numbers is an important factor for succeeding in life. Yet rarely do students find math easy. Corbinian Möller is a psychologist. At the Leibniz-Institut für Wissensmedien in Tübingen, he researches how children can acquire numerical competence more easily.
The general goal of my research is to understand how numerical cognition works. That is, which parts of the brain are responsible for it, how are they involved, what are the processes, and all that on the backdrop of how do the children learn this.
To find out, PhD candidate Mirjam Wasner performed a study. She wanted to know whether using fingers for counting would aid or harm with calculation.
Well,
what's so special is that there hadn't been a systematic intervention study, so it's the first study of this kind. We had 400 children taking part in the study, trained them in finger calculation, and just collected lots and lots of data. The study delved into the question whether specific finger training could improve competence in calculation. Whether prejudice against finger calculation was justified was a point of interest for Christine Lichtenberger-Meyer. She's an elementary school teacher in Tübingen.
The
biggest fear is that children start to count with their fingers and do not depict the sum. This would mean they do not achieve the level of abstraction they are supposed to. The study's results were clear. Children using their fingers while calculating were as good as or better than their peers without the weekly training session. The finger training primarily helped a specific group. During the course of the study, I got the feeling that I became more and more of a proponent of children using their fingers for calculation, because I saw that especially my weakest students profited incredibly from it. The improved calculation skills can be explained by using the theory of embodiment. Embodiment describes the view that abstract representations, like, for instance, numbers, are connected to bodily sensory experiences while learning. So, if you sort of enhance these bodily sensory experiences, the idea goes, you also strengthen abstract knowledge better. Using the body while learning is a focal point for the department's other studies as well. Corbinian Möller, for instance, researches how a number line that is stuck to the floor can help children improve their mental number line. When training with a dance pad, children link numbers with spatial directions, enabling them to estimate their size more accurately. To solve the calculation exercises on the multi-touch table, the children also have to become active. All of these exercises follow the same principle.
The basic idea of our training sessions is that we try to make numerical concepts accessible through experience, corporeal experience. Whether it's on a digital dance pad, where you can jump left or right, or whether it's using tangibles, which are like big Lego pieces that you can put on a multi-touch table, for example. All of it is touchable, the children can experience it. And there we use different methods, but found, universally, that it helps children with learning.
Finger mazes, training sessions with a dance pad, or gigantic Lego stones. Using fingers or the entire body for calculation exercises is not just great fun, but actually makes the children fit in math.